But it is something which I think that you guys are going to love. It's just so easy to do. And I feel like you can even do this if you're sitting in your office and you're going out in the evening and you want to just change something with your eyes and go into work with no eye makeup on and then do it in the office, like wherever you are. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is educational and all about beauty. Now today's video is a sparkly eye makeup look that you can do in only 5 minutes. How crazy is that? Trust me, I even think you might have a few minutes to spare. So you're gonna wanna watch this because it's a game changer when it comes to quick, easy, but glam sparkly eye makeup. So you're gonna love it. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so if you love reels, if you love unboxing, if you love a bit of behind the scenes, then please do head over there and follow me there. Now let's jump straight into this video. I've been pretty excited about showing you this one because I actually did this look about a week ago when my sister was staying over and I didn't actually have much time to get ready. We were out during the day for, was it on her birthday? No, I don't think it was on her birthday. It was the day after her birthday. We were out during the day, so I'd already had my makeup done and then we were going out in the evening. And I think I had 20 minutes to do my makeup and I did it. And I thought, how can I make my eyes look glam? Because it was a proper, like it was an opening launch for a place here in Dubai. And there was it was just like a sumo match going on at the same time. And it was like Japanese food. And it was just, I was like, I'm going to see a lot of people from the industry. I want to make sure I still look like, you know, glam a little bit, but I don't have time. And I did this eye look and I loved it. And when I look back at pictures as well, and quite like a couple of people said to me too, I love your eye makeup. And I was like, okay, I'm definitely doing that. I'm going to be recording this to show you guys because I know you're going to love it. So it's a really, really quick, easy look that you guys can do in, I don't even think it's going to take 5 minutes, but I didn't want to be too confident and be like, do this eye look in 3 minutes. And then it's like, I couldn't do it. So I thought, 5 minutes, but I'm telling you guys, I think I can do it in less than 5 minutes, but we'll see because, you know, equally, I don't want this video to just be like a 3-minute video. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna show you how you do this. Now, first off, obviously I have some concealer on my lid. Like I don't have any eye makeup on. I have no mascara on. So what you want to do to prep your lid, you want to put a little bit of concealer on, not a lot because we're going to be using like a liquid eyeshadow, and then you're going to put a little bit of powder on there to set it and just lock all that in. That's your eye priming done, because what we want is a really nice even finish, like your skin to look even there. And I don't have naturally even skin on my eyelids. It's pretty kind of patchy and dark. So that's what I've done. I've got a little bit of concealer there. Now, if you want to know what concealer I used the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Warm Beige. It's kind of, I've got a very natural base on today, and I wanted to show you guys how you can do this eye look. It's up to you, however you know, end up doing your base. That's totally up to you. So yeah, I guess let's get started. I'm about to put my timer on. You know how I get when we put the timer on. You know, it gets a little bit stressful in my head, but let me find it. Oh no, that's my alarm. Hold on. Okay, where is it? Timer. Where are my... okay, the minute I hit it, it's gonna go. It's gonna start. So we are going to start. Oh, I'm just thinking. No, I'm not really. I'm just like wasting time. Okay, hold on. Let's get started now. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is take my Kevyn Aucoin. This is my cream foil eyeshadow and the shade is Blazed Up. This is so good. You are gonna love it. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is paint this over my eyelid. I'm not taking it up into the kind of like crease area. I'm just using my finger and I'm pressing. Don't kind of go back and forth. I'm just pressing this. I feel like I need a mirror just to see what I'm doing because the other one's really far. So let me just grab this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I've got like something in my eye. That's weird. Okay. Oh God. Why does this always happen when I put a timer on? Nico, chill. It's okay. It's okay. Daddy will get to the door. Okay, so I've got that first layer on. I'm gonna go in with another layer, and I've just got a tissue here to wipe my finger on. So let me just make sure. I've got long nails at the moment, so Okay, now I'm just patting it mainly now in the middle area. So initially I put that base layer on and it went all over the lid. And now this second layer is mainly on the middle area. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other eye now. And I actually really like the applicator for this because it's pretty kind of like, oh, Nico, don't worry. You're making all these noises because he's like, why aren't you getting up to get the door? He's looking at me like, are you crazy? There's someone at the door, open it. Anyway, I've put it all over the entire lid, right? So that's my first layer, like I did on the other side. But yeah, I was saying I really like the applicator. Oh, 3 minutes left. I really like the applicator because it's pretty big and flexible and it kind of covers your whole lid. So now I'm gonna just do this in the middle. I am telling you, in pictures, this looks so good. So now I'm patting it gently in the middle. So most of that kind of like shine and that kind of shimmer is in the middle of the lid. I just love this. And it dries as well. So it's not like, it doesn't stay kind of liquidy or anything. And let me put this over there. Let me just get rid of this. I've got like cream eyeshadow all over my hands now. I'm just gonna get a wet wipe to clean my hands because this was just, it's just gonna go everywhere. Okay, so, sorry, I'm even cleaning my eyeshadow thing because I hate it when it has loads of makeup on there, like anything. So, okay, I've done that. Whew. Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. See, I reckon I'm taking my time with this. I reckon you could actually get this done. I would say in about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. There you go. Let's get the mascara. So, okay. Let's just go in with the mascara. I honestly love this eye look because even though it's like a very kind of almost, it's pretty natural, I still feel like, you know, you get that kind of glam look because you've got that shimmer in there. You know, so you've still got that kind of really nice glam, sparkly kind of look to your eye without having to have like a whole load of kind of eyeliner and stuff there. Ooh. So, okay. Another thing that I did, I just took it right there, a little dot there, and a little dot there. I went back and forth there, back and forth there. And then I got my mascara. And I did my lower lashes. And this is a different mascara, which I'll explain in a minute. And now I'm just gonna go in with my other top mascara just to put another layer on. And you can really kind of thicken the lashes if you want. There you go, my timer is up. And that is my sparkly eye in 5 minutes. The only thing is when I do these like 5 minute, 10 minute things, I get makeup everywhere and it's so annoying because I hate having makeup on my makeup. What I was trying to say was that, let me just close these and then I can explain to you exactly what I was using. So if you want to, you can kind of like go over with a bit more mascara. Like I've got, I think 2 coats on here. You could potentially go over with 3, which is what I'm doing, but that's completely your preference. Once you've got like your mascara on, it's more or less done. But basically that's what I did. And it looked really, really nice in the pictures. It just looked natural, but okay, she's still got a bit of sparkle there. She's still got something going on there. So I would highly recommend that. I find that it's normally pretty difficult to find kind of liquid eyeshadows which are sparkly that don't dry out too quick in the container. Like, I have quite a few of the Stiller liquid eyeshadows, you know, I can't remember what they're called, but you know, the really sparkly ones, and they're really popular. And you know, I think a lot of people, if you want really ultra like sparkle, then you go for that. But the only thing is they dry out really quickly, even if you don't open the lid that much, if you don't open it. Like, I had a couple, and I think probably had them for a few months before I used them, and I opened them up and they were just super dry and they just wouldn't even move around on my eye, and it was just like I had to throw them. So that's really annoying. But this one in particular, the Kevyn Aucoin one, I find that they are like very easy to blend and they don't dry up as quick. So they stay liquidy, but like once you've kind of blended it in, this is going to kind of dry up itself, but it takes its time. It's also not too wet where that you get the creasing or anything. So I really like it. Like, I would love to see what other shades that Kevyn Aucoin has in these, because there's 2 other shades. I'm not really feeling them, but I'm gonna have a look at what else they have. But this was Blazed Up. I mean, this suits my skin tone, so maybe one of the others will suit your skin tone, maybe something a bit lighter or a bit darker. But I really like this because I feel like it's so close to my skin tone that it kind of just looks natural but sparkly. So if you were to look close up, you could see that kind of sparkle, and if you wanted to, you could kind of like put maybe some eyeliner on with this, or you could kind of like just add a darker brown eyeshadow to give it more of that kind of like, you know, depth at the end, or just, you know, like this area here, just deepen it and just give yourself a really nice kind of like smoky eye. It really depends on what you're after. I'm thinking, should I very quickly just show you what it looks like to just give it that kind of glam evening look? Shall I do that? Because I'm just having a look at what I've got here that I could show you with. And let me see. I kind of want to use a sparkly brown, to be honest. Not like I don't want to use like a matte brown. So let me see what there is here. Should I use this? This is my Patrick Tar. I might use this. This is my Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. Is there a nice brown one in here? Yeah, I could use this. Okay, let me show you very quickly. I'm using my Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush E45, and I'm going to use this shade here, which is, let's see, this shade is Exquisite. So it's like deep chocolatey brown, which has got a slight kind of shimmer in there. And all I'm going to do is just kind of apply it right on this corner here. I don't want to darken the whole eye. So I'm literally just applying it from the end of my lash line. You can see end of my lash line, so just from this section here. And what this will do, because it's actually a really similar like color and shimmer to the liquid eyeshadow that I've got on, it goes perfectly with this. So all this is going to do is just kind of break up the eye, so it just gives it a little bit of lift, but it looks like it's just kind of a really nice two-tone. Now there is a bit of fallout from the Patrick Tar palette, so that's a little bit annoying, but there you go. We only want to do a very small bit. Can you see the difference? Right, this has like lifted it up a little bit, and this is just kind of like normal, and we've got that slight lift there. So there's just so much you can do. See how like you get that immediate lift from this area? It just automatically, it's just all lifted. So I feel like there's so much you can do with this. This is great on its own, but also it's good as a base, so you can start adding things to it to just like lift it or just give it that extra bit of glam. So yeah, I guess that is it. That is my kind of 5-minute eye look, which actually did take 5 minutes. But I was taking my time, and I think that it'll probably take you around 3 minutes. But it is something which I think that you guys are gonna love. It's just so easy to do. And I feel like you can even do this if you're sitting in your office and you're going out in the evening and you wanna just change something with your eyes and go into work with no eye makeup on and then do it in the office, like wherever you are. So I do hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this is something you're gonna try. And I hope that if you have any questions, you will let me know in the comments box below. And don't forget that I do have my vlog channel. Please do go over and show some support and follow me over on that. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to say hi over there too, so leave some comments and let me know that you've come over from this channel so that I can just reach out and say hi to you guys too. And wherever you are in the world, I'm sending you loads of love. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope that you can recreate this look and manage to do it in even less than 5 minutes. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.